Hello again, everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the function to sum a range of cells that you're highlighted into your clipboard so you can paste that total value somewhere else. There are times that, I might not want to create a formula that sums a range, and it's much easier just to highlight what I want and get that total. So as you're probably aware, when you using Excel, when you start highlighting multiple cells, it will start giving you a running total at the bottom. Like down here, I've got 21,255,000. If I highlight dates with that, though, you notice that it actually adds the date into that value in Excel, and I don't like that. That's not actually right for what I'm trying to do, because here I've got 39,449,000. But if I highlight the date column with that, it goes to 39,534,000. So if I want just the values from the highlighted cells, I'm going to hit my Sum Cells option. Now what that just did, it copied all of the numeric value fields here into the clipboard. And if I go over here and paste it, now I've got my total of just the non-date fields here of the numerics. And as you can see, it's at 39,449,000, which is the sum of these two columns. And you may have also noticed I've got filtered rows here, so it ignores those. If I expand this now, you'll see that that's actually 62 million with the hidden rows. So this only totals up those cells that are displayed and does not include any dates within them. I hope that was helpful, and have a great day. Thank you.